Pretty surreal to be fair, to drive your own car, to do it for the first time ever.
This is my first time. I definitely did a lot more than I thought I'd do on my first time, which is really cool.
The first time I came, I thought it was amazing, so I just came back.
It's just like, oh right, I'm behind the wheel instead of in the passenger seat. I expected it to be just like a go-kart or a quad bike or something, and it's really not.
I was expecting to crash, but I didn't, which is good.
It feels really exciting, really exhilarating, because you're sitting behind the wheel and you're thinking to yourself, oh, I'm actually driving a car. It's me driving, not my parents driving.
My son absolutely loves it. This was his third go. I've just booked for another one. It was brilliant. I think it's a fantastic idea. The fact that by the time he's 17 and he can drive, he knows how to handle a car. So he's then just got to learn how to deal with the traffic rather than how to drive the car.
It feels amazing. It just gives you inspiration for when you're older.
It's a very nice car. The displays are very clear. The handling's amazing.
I came to Young Driver when I was about 16 for my first lesson, and I really enjoyed it. So then I carried on and went through all the levels, and then when I became 17, started my lessons straight away, booked my theory as soon as I could, and then I passed my driving test within 3 months of my birthday.
I think it's really important for them to have a go behind a wheel on a safe environment like this where there's lots of instruction. I know personally I would have benefited from it years ago if there was anything like this.
And they just enjoy that feeling of independence. It's a grown-up present, isn't it? It's something a bit different, and it's a skill they can take away with them.
It was really cool because I'd never driven a car before, so just the experience was really amazing.
Some people just think, oh, you're getting in a car and you're driving, but when you're actually in the car, it's just so much more fun.
Lots of guidance, and if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter.
At school, when I told my friends I'm going to drive a real car in the summer holidays, they didn't believe me. I did drive a car, and I have proof on my phone.
I was really nervous, but I didn't really know why I was that nervous, because when I got the hang of it, it's actually really fun. I was telling my friends and they were just like, whoa, you're going driving, and you're only 12.
It's actually quite surreal to see these kids that actually drive in a proper car. So yeah, they're growing up.